She's back. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, so I decided that this is just going to be a whole compilation type of YouTube video. So we are in Jersey City. Yesterday I didn't film going through the airport and all that because I was tired, y'all. Okay, I did not know where my camera was in my suitcase and all that, and I was tired. But it's Saturday, August 17th. We are in the Airbnb in Jersey City. It's a cute little old New York antique vibe, but it's a nice place. This is where we're staying. This is the main area. This is the bathroom, which is like my favorite part of this Airbnb. It's just really cute how they have it decorated, and I like the shower. The shower is very spacious. So yeah, I'll take you guys along with me today. Last night all we did was, this is my fit for today. It's real cute. Today what we have planned is, I think we're going to Summit. We might go to this little pizza place called Stoned, but they're only open for 2 hours, so I don't know if we're gonna miss it or not. But yesterday, let me tell you a quick rundown of what we did. So yesterday we touched down from the airport. We traveled, and I should have vlogged it, but like I said, I didn't have my camera. I didn't know where it was. We touched down at the airport at LaGuardia, and then we caught the free bus over to the subway train station. And I don't think I could have vlogged anyways because it was just too much going on. Me and Dave had our suitcases with us. We had our 2 carry-on bags. Like, we were just carrying too much stuff. And like, for me to try to be carrying a camera around vlogging all that, no. Okay, so we ended up dropping our stuff off to the Airbnb after we took the train, subway, bus station over to Jersey City, and then we went to a dispensary where we got edibles and stuff. And then later on that night we went back out to Times Square where we tried Junior's Cheesecake. Like, it's a restaurant where they have, like, I guess famous cheesecakes, and I had me a patty melt. I think that's what it was. I don't know, it was good. David had like a steak sandwich. I don't think he liked it that much, but I'm gonna take you guys with me today.
What's going on, Tierra?
Hey, how are you?
I definitely look like tourists with the camera.
Boy.
You have the camera on me?
Yeah, I got the camera on. He's like, yeah, y'all look like tourists with the camera.
We do. We out here in New York.
Having a good time?
Yes. We went to the World Trade Center yesterday, Times Square. It's fun.
Yeah. It's big, though.
It do. It smell like... Okay, let me not be too loud, but yeah, it smells like the sewer system. It's nasty. David saw a rat yesterday. I didn't see a rat, but yeah, we having a blast. Shut up. This is one of the local bodegas, you guys. El bodega. We have finally made it to the bodega truck. Oh, I was talking to the camera. Damn, okay. Right now, we're traveling to the Cookies Dispensary in Newark, New Jersey. Wait, Harrison, New Jersey.
No, it's Newark.
No, we passed Newark.
That's the street.
Harrison.
We're going to Harrison Street.
We're going to the Cookies.
Bye, y'all. I'll let y'all.
Are you sure? Cookies. This is day 3, it's Sunday. We unknowingly stumbled across the Grand Central Terminal, and that's where we're at right now.
It's hot.
It is hot. Wow, it's the Zodiac. So big. Oh my gosh. Oh Jesus. We're up here. Oh my god. Oh Lord. This is crazy. Look up there, Dave. There's somebody really waving at me. I was like, is that a person? I'm weak. Oh wow, babe, look. Oh my gosh. made it to Chinatown, y'all. CCT Seafood Mart. That's Chinatown. That's what that is, baby.
What?
I don't know where the pizza spot is. Boy, we done came into another part of New York. Alright, y'all, so we took the bus. The D train. I'm talking about the bus. The D train to Chinatown. My baby found me a go-yard bag. And we just over here chilling in this tennis park. It's a basketball court right here in Chinatown. I don't know if y'all can see like the Chinese buildings over there, the restaurants and all that. But it's nice over here in Chinatown. The weather's nice. You got the pigeons right there in the park. Is that a water park over there? Oh, they got the water spouting at the ground. A play place. Water play place. Oh, there's some more buildings with Chinese graffiti. Ooh. I look, you might get a drink. I haven't gotten a drink since we've been here.
I'm acting like it's never gonna be there again. Like 10 hours for one shit.
How much is their drink?
Looks like a lot of $17.
Yeah.
What?
I did have a great time.
Looks like a lot of $17. Appreciate it. Alright, y'all. We done got off our last train and it started raining. We walking in a little bit. Earlier when we went to the PATH station, it was raining and we had to wait it out, didn't we, Dave? Boy, we done walk about like 5 miles a day.
right, 5 miles a day, averaging over 15,000 steps. Your girl is tired. We just walking back to the Airbnb.
Go home.
David, shut up. He ain't ready. He got one more day.
Who ain't ready? I'm ready.
Oh no. We got one more day. Low-key, when I first got here, y'all, they dropped us off in Queens. I said, oh hell no. I was like, it was stanky. It was all kind of people out there. I was like, oh no, let me get back on this bus and get on the plane and go back to Texas. We got one more day. We gonna take y'all with us to Brooklyn and Harlem tomorrow.
Well, I'm going home. I already got plane tickets. We gotta leave early in the morning. Shit.
Bye, David. I'll be going to Harlem and Brooklyn tomorrow.
All right, shit.
Ladies and gentlemen.